Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir. Great, because we've got a snow emergency rescue on Sunny Slope Island.
Snow? On a tropical island?
Yes, Mr. Porter and Alex are snowed in up on the mountain. We've got to find them and get them down. Robodog, pick up Everest Snowcat and head for Sunny Slope Island.
Cool snowshoes you made, Grandpa. What are we gonna play?
A game called Hike Down to the Beach. It's a big open space. The Paw Patrol is sure to find us there.
All right, me first. Whoa! Look, Grandpa, I'm skiing.
Careful, Alex.
Whee!
Yikes! See you later, Gator! Alex, we need to slow down!
I don't think I can, but it's fun.
Uh-oh, we're headed for a cliff!
Goggle vision. Ryder, I see Alex and Mr. Porter going down the mountain. But it looks like they're sliding right toward a big cliff.
Everest, take your snowcat to the base of that cliff and make a big snow cushion. Fast!
You bet. Nice and soft, and just in time. Alex, Mr. Porter, are you okay?
Phew!
That was fun. Can we do it again? Let's get you guys onto the air patroller where it's nice and warm. This is the best frozen camp out ever.
Thanks to you and the Paw Patrol, Ryder.
You're welcome. Whenever you have weird weather, just yelp for help. Check your local TV listings for full episodes.
Fun fact time! The mighty twins Tuck and Ella have some pretty mighty powers. One of them can shrink super small, and the other can grow super big.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir. Thanks for getting here so fast, pups. Chicoletta is stuck inside Jake's family cuckoo clock. Now the clock is sliding down the mountain with snowballs rolling after it. Everest, I need you to drive down the mountain and use your grapple to stop the clock. And Rocky, I need you to use your tools to get Chicoletta out of the clock without breaking it. This clock is very special to Jake.
Green means go!
Ryder, we've got our eye on the clock, and it's moving fast. That ride must be so frightening, even for a brave chicken like my Chicoletta.
And those snowballs are catching up. They could crush the clock.
Not on our watch.
Ryder, the clock hand is almost at the top. That'll make the door open.
Rocky, when that door opens, try to reach Chicoletta with your claw.
Claw! Whoa! Aha! Those snowballs are still gonna hit Jake's clock.
Not if we get the snowballs to hit each other first. Everest, push the left one. Rocky, the right. Yes, it worked. Now let's see if we can make it through these snow bumps and catch that clock.
Ryder, I can reach it faster on my snowboard. I grappled! Whew, that was close.
Good job, Everest. Rocky, can you put the hand back on the clock and point it to the top?
Okay, fixed. Now to let out Chicoletta. It's about time you came out of there, Chicoletta.
Check your local TV listings for full episodes.
It's time for Paw Patrol Trivia. How well do you know the pups and the world of Adventure Bay? Let's find out. First question. Which member of Paw Patrol is a police officer? Rocky, Chase, Marshall, or Sky? It's Chase. Chase is a police officer.
You're doing great, pups. You're turning this empty lot into a really nice place, like for a little park.
cool. This bird's already found a home here.
Hi, Miss Marjorie. What's up?
Holes have popped up all over my yard, Ryder. You can't step anywhere without falling in one, which is exactly what Maynard and I did.
We're on our way, Miss Marjorie.
Am I glad to see you?
Where's Maynard?
Over by that tree.
Uh-oh! That tree's gonna tip and trap Maynard! Rocky, get him out quick!
Hey, Maynard. Need a claw?
Grab onto the front of my board!
Whoa! I got this!
Sky, lower your harness for rubble.
Roger that, Ryder. Still hanging in there, Rubble? No problem for me.
And I'm not sure about Miss Marjorie's house. All that's holding it up is a thin piece of dirt.
But Ryder, how am I supposed to live in a tippy-tilty house?
We'll move it.
Where?
The perfect place. The old lot we were cleaning up.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Take it up, Robodog. Robodog, let's move out. Gently, gently, easy. Set her down, Robodog.
You did it, Pups. You did it.
Check your local TV listings for full episodes.
Fun fact time! Paw Patrol's team vehicle, the Paw Patroller, has 8 wheels. That's a lot of wheels.
Once we finish blowing up these balloons, we'll be all ready for the feast. Oh, why, who knocked down the food?
Look, Auntie Mayor, a flying turkey.
What? Time to call the Paw Patrol.
Hi, Mayor Goodway.
Ryder, Chickaletta is very upset. The bouncy turkey's flown away.
Flown away? I see it, and something else too. It's one of Mayor Huntinger's kittens. We're on it. No bouncy turkey is too high, no pup is too small.
Ryder, I'm closing in on the turkey.
Awesome, we're right behind you, Sky.
Ryder, I see a ring at the bottom of the bouncy turkey. I can grab it with my hook and bring it back to the ground.
Great, let's save the kitten first, then the bouncy turkey. Chase, deploy your net.
Ruff, ruff, net!
Ryder, look! Don't use your hook yet, Sky. There are still more kittens.
Now to catch that floating turkey. Hook! Got it!
Nice job, Sky.
Okay, let's go. We don't want to be late for dinner.
Ryder, I want to thank you for rescuing my kitties.
You're welcome. Whenever you're floating away in a giant turkey, just yelp for help. Check your local TV listings for full episodes.
Fun fact time! Marshall's dog breed is a Dalmatian, and Chase's dog breed is a German Shepherd.
Welcome to the Adventure Bay Windsurfing Race. The winner gets this Possum Trophy. On your mark, get set, go!
Whoa! The wind picked up. Maybe a little too much.
Look out!
All right! Now this is more like it!
Stay close, Chickaletta. Oh.
Incoming! Yes! That strange, super strong wind came out of nowhere. What is going on out there? Whoa! Hey!
Whoa! We gotta help them. No wind is too strong, no pup is too small. Zuma, am I ever happy to see you?
Hi, Katie. Hold on and I'll undizzy you. Booey!
Thanks, Zuma.
Paw Patrol! Oh, thank goodness you're here!
Hi, Mayor Goodway. We're here to help.
Hang on tight, Mayor Goodway.
Ryder, Rocky, thank you for saving me and my little chicky wicky.
Look at me! I'm roof surfing!
Cool. Steady, steady, now.
Whoa!
No! Gotcha!
Awesome!
Amazing flying, Sky.
This is the weirdest wind I've ever witnessed.
I wonder where it's coming from. Check your local TV listings for full episodes.